Hey guys, it's Interaction, and today is an alien bakery, mystery bakery unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the alien one, so let's get started. First off, here is the box, and I love the yellow. Yellow's really cool. These are the ones you can get, and it was pointed out that, and it was correct, that the bottoms of some of these vinyls were incorrect on the artwork. So Mickey, you see he's yellow, he's really red, and then same with Stitch, yellow, and then he's green. I probably pointed it out on the Stitch one, but Mickey one, I forgot to say that on camera, but Figment was still the same white. And same thing with this alien, yellow, yellow. And then these are the 3 alien faces you can get. But here's a picture of what they look like as real vinyls. So I think that they're very cute. And one of 3. Yum. The top, as you saw before. Oh, and I got this online, but it was $12.95 each. So I don't really care what. Why I open this up. You see it's little twinkles. So that's pretty cool. And then you'll see what he looks like after I unwrap him. I finally unwrapped or took off his icing, so let's take a look at that. So it has 3 different colors of layers. We have yellow, a little bit of yellow orange, and red, and then there's red spots on him, well, on the icing. So that's probably supposed to be like a little planet look like. And let's look at. I'm going to take off the plastic first. And you might be able to see what it looks like now, but open it from the back. Ready? Ooh, it is the one with the 3 on it. And let me just check again. These are the 3 that. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. This one's probably my favorite out of the one for aliens. Pretty cool. So they're looking at, well, it's looking at the icing, and then probably looking at, delicious. Then he has the little, his suit. And another name for the alien is Little Green Man, so yeah, that's also what I would call him too. So thanks for watching my alien / Little Green Man mystery bakery Vinylmation unboxing, and be sure to subscribe, rate, favorite, like, and comment on this video. Like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram and Vine, and that's all. Have a good day. Bye.